From the towering heights of the Himalayas, where the air grows thin and silence reigns supreme, to the vast savannas of Africa, the natural world is home to some of the most majestic and powerful creatures on Earth. These are the big cat symbols of strength, grace, and survival. Over millions of years, these apex predators have carved their legacy into the harshest terrains of the planet. The elusive snow leopard prowls the icy cliffs, a ghost among the peaks. In the shadows of the forests, the Shan gray leopard stalks its prey with unmatched stealth. The leopard and the lion reign as unparalleled masters of the jungle and the savanna. But there is one place that brings together the most enigmatic and diverse members of the big cat family. India, a land of staggering biodiversity and hidden wonders. Here, the Bengal tiger, with its fiery stripes, commands every corner of the dense jungle. Leopards and clouded leopards guard the treetops, while the Asiatic lion, the last of its kind outside Africa, roars across the golden plains. And in the shadows, waiting to inherit their kingdom, are the next generation, the cubs. Small yet fierce, they carry the raw instincts of survival, ready to one day leave their mark on this wild world. The enigmatic snow leopard, ghost of the mountains. High above the world, where the peaks kiss the clouds and the air grows thin, the snow leopard reigns as a phantom of the Himalayas. Known as the ghost of the mountains, this elusive predator is one of the most enigmatic and majestic big cats, perfectly adapted to survive in some of the harshest terrains on Earth. Snow leopards, Panthera uncia, inhabit the rugged mountain ranges of Central and South Asia, spanning across 12 countries, including India, Nepal, Bhutan, and China. Found at altitudes between 3,000 and 5,000 meters, these cats are built for extreme conditions. Their thick, smoky gray fur, patterned with dark rosettes, provides excellent camouflage against rocky, snow-covered landscapes. This natural disguise, combined with their solitary nature, makes sightings of snow leopards incredibly rare. Their long, muscular tails, often as long as their bodies, serve dual purposes, providing balance as they navigate steep cliffs and acting as a blanket to keep them warm in freezing temperatures. Snow leopards also have wide fur-covered paws that function like snowshoes, allowing them to move silently across snow and rocky terrains. Snow leopards are apex predators in their ecosystem, preying primarily on burrell, blue sheep, Himalayan tahr, and other mountain ungulates. They are ambush hunters, using their exceptional climbing abilities to stalk prey from above. A single calculated leap can cover distances of up to 15 meters, a testament to their incredible strength and precision. During harsh winters, when prey becomes scarce, these adaptable hunters may descend to lower altitudes, where they might prey on smaller animals, such as marmots and hares, or livestock, leading to occasional conflicts with local communities. In local cultures, the snow leopard is a symbol of strength, solitude, and mystery. Revered in folklore and art, this cat holds a special place in the hearts of the Himalayan people. However, despite its iconic status, the snow leopard faces numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and retaliation killings due to livestock predation. Conservation organizations like the Snow Leopard Trust and WWF are working tirelessly to protect these majestic creatures. Initiatives include tracking snow leopards using GPS collars, creating community-based programs to reduce human-wildlife conflict, and promoting ecotourism as a sustainable source of income for local populations. With an estimated population of fewer than 7,000 individuals in the wild, the snow leopard is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Climate change further threatens their fragile habitats, as rising temperatures push the tree line higher, encroaching on their alpine territories. However, hope remains. Global awareness and concerted conservation efforts have already shown promising results. The Snow Leopard Conservation Action Plan in India, for instance, aims to secure 20 landscapes by 2025, ensuring a safe haven for this iconic species. The mysterious Shan gray leopard, a silent sentinel of the shadows. Deep within the forests and mist-laden hills of Southeast Asia, an elusive predator moves with unmatched stealth. The Shan gray leopard, often overshadowed by its more famous relatives, is a marvel of adaptation and survival. With its subtle gray coat and keen instincts, this enigmatic feline remains a lesser-known but equally fascinating member of the big cat family. An enigma of the forests. Named after the Shan region in Myanmar, the Shan gray leopard, Panthera pardus shanensis, is a subspecies of the leopard, distinguished by its pale grayish coat and less prominent rosettes. Its muted coloration allows it to blend seamlessly into the rocky terrain and dense vegetation of its habitat. Found in Myanmar, Thailand, and parts of southern China, this elusive leopard prefers remote, undisturbed areas, avoiding human presence whenever possible. Its habitat varies widely, from deciduous forests and bamboo groves to rocky outcrops. This adaptability is key to its survival, as deforestation and human encroachment continue to shrink its natural range. The ultimate stealth predator. The Shan gray leopard is a solitary hunter, relying on its keen senses and patience to outwit prey. With a diet as diverse as its habitat, it preys on animals ranging from small rodents to larger ungulates like deer. It is also known to scavenge opportunistically, taking advantage of carcasses left behind by other predators. Unlike many big cats, the Shan gray leopard rarely vocalizes, adding to its ghostly reputation. Its movements are calculated and silent, making it nearly invisible in the wild. This feline is also an agile climber, often dragging its kill high into the trees to avoid scavengers like hyenas and wild dogs. A species under threat. Despite its incredible adaptability, the Shan gray leopard faces significant threats from habitat destruction, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Its beautiful coat, coveted in the illegal wildlife trade, has made it a frequent target for poachers. Additionally, the increasing overlap between human settlements and leopard territories has led to a rise in retaliatory killings, especially when leopards prey on livestock. Conservation organizations are working to address these challenges through anti-poaching patrols, education programs, and habitat restoration. The focus is on fostering coexistence between humans and leopards, ensuring that both can thrive. Cultural significance. In the folklore of the Shan people and other communities in its range, the gray leopard is often seen as a creature of mystery and power. It is both feared and respected, a guardian of the wild who moves silently between the physical and spiritual worlds. This deep cultural connection is a potential cornerstone for conservation efforts, as local support is vital for protecting these majestic creatures. The road ahead. While less studied than other leopard subspecies, The Shan gray leopard represents the resilience and adaptability of wildlife in the face of adversity. Its survival depends on a combination of science, community involvement, and global awareness. By protecting its habitat and addressing the root causes of human-leopard conflict, we can ensure a future where this shadowy predator continues to roam free. Across the sprawling landscapes of Africa and Asia, a figure moves with unparalleled grace and precision. The leopard, Panthera pardus, known for its spotted coat and adaptability, is one of nature's most versatile and cunning predators. Revered in myths and admired for its beauty, the leopard is a symbol of power and survival in some of the planet's most challenging ecosystems. A creature of many homes, unlike other big cats with specific habitat requirements, the leopard thrives in a variety of environments. From the dense rainforests of the Congo to the arid savannas of Africa, the rocky outcrops of India, and even the rugged mountains of Central Asia, this feline has demonstrated remarkable adaptability. Its range stretches across much of sub-Saharan Africa and parts of the Middle East and Asia, making it one of the most widely distributed big cats. The leopard's coat varies depending on its habitat, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. In forests, its rosettes are darker and denser, while in savannas or deserts, they are lighter and more spaced out. This camouflage, combined with its ability to climb, swim, and adapt its diet, makes the leopard an apex predator wherever it lives. The leopard is a solitary and opportunistic hunter, capable of taking down prey much larger than itself. Its diet is one of the most diverse among big cats, including antelope, deer, rodents, monkeys, birds, and even fish. This adaptability allows it to thrive in ecosystems where other predators may struggle. Leopards are master climbers, often dragging their kills up into the trees to keep them safe from scavengers such as hyenas and lions. They are also strong swimmers, enabling them to hunt in areas with rivers and lakes. Their stealth and patience are unmatched, stalking prey with silent precision before delivering a swift and deadly pounce. With 9 recognized subspecies, the leopard shows incredible diversity across its range. The African leopard, Panthera pardus, is the most common, dominating the savannas and woodlands of Africa. The Indian leopard, Panthera pardus fusca, prowls the forests and hills of South Asia, while the Amur leopard, Panthera pardus orientalis, critically endangered, braves the icy landscapes of Russia and China. Each subspecies is uniquely adapted to its environment, showcasing the leopard's remarkable ability to evolve and survive. Despite its adaptability, the leopard faces significant threats in the modern world. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization has fragmented its territories, pushing it into conflict with humans. Poaching for its stunning coat and body parts, used in traditional medicine, has also drastically reduced populations in some areas. The leopard's elusive nature makes it difficult to study and conserve, but this very trait has also allowed it to survive where other big cats have vanished. Conservation programs aim to protect leopards by preserving habitats, reducing human-wildlife conflict, and cracking down on the illegal wildlife trade. The leopard is deeply embedded in the cultural and mythological fabric of many societies. In African folklore, it is both feared and revered as a symbol of power and cunning. In Indian mythology, the leopard is often associated with the forest and its spirits, embodying the untamed essence of nature. This cultural reference can be harnessed to aid conservation, turning ancient respect into modern protection efforts. The leopard is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. As a symbol of the natural world's strength and beauty, its survival is crucial not only for ecosystems, but for humanity's connection to nature. Protecting this iconic predator means safeguarding the wild places it calls home. With global conservation efforts, education, and local community involvement, the leopard can continue to thrive. Its story is one of survival against the odds, a reminder of nature's enduring spirit. And the importance of preserving its balance. In the shadow of trees or on the golden plains, the leopard moves like a whisper. Unseen yet ever present, a silent guardian of the wild, waiting to remind us of the mystery and majesty of the natural world. The majestic lion, king of the wild. Across the sunlit savannas and dense forests, a deep, resounding roar echoes declaring dominance over the vast wilderness. The lion, Panthera leo, often called the king of beasts, stands as a symbol of power, courage, and nobility. With its regal mane and commanding presence, the lion is one of the most iconic and revered creatures in the animal kingdom. The landscape of the lion. Lions once roamed vast stretches of Africa, Asia, and Europe, but today, their range is largely restricted to sub-Saharan Africa, with a small population of Asiatic lions surviving in the Gir forest of India. These habitats are as diverse as the lions themselves. Open savannas, grasslands, and even thorny scrub forests serve as their domain. The African lion, Panthera leo, dominates the African plains, while the Asiatic lion, Panthera leo persica, slightly smaller and with a shorter mane, is a relic of a once vast range that spanned across the Middle East and Asia. These lions now inhabit the dry forests of Gujarat, India, where conservation efforts are critical to their survival. Life in the pride. Lions are unique among big cats for their social behavior. Living in prides, these groups usually consist of several related females, their cubs, and a coalition of male lions. This social structure offers strength in numbers, providing advantages in hunting and protecting territories. The females are the pride's primary hunters, working together to take down large prey such as zebras, wildebeests, and buffalo. Males, on the other hand, defend the pride from rival lions and other threats. Their powerful roars can be heard up to 8 kilometers away, marking their territory and warning intruders. The mighty hunter. Lions are apex predators, perfectly designed for hunting large prey. Their muscular build, powerful jaws, and sharp claws make them formidable hunters. While females usually lead the hunt, male lions occasionally participate, especially when taking down particularly large or dangerous prey. A lion's diet is primarily carnivorous, but they are opportunistic feeders, scavenging carcasses left behind by other predators or even stealing kills. This adaptability ensures their survival in challenging environments where food sources may be scarce. Cultural significance. The lion has been a symbol of strength and royalty in cultures worldwide for centuries. From the statues of lions guarding ancient temples to their depiction in coats of arms, they represent courage, authority, and protection. In African traditions, lions are often seen as sacred animals, embodying the spirit of the wilderness. In mythology, lions are associated with gods and heroes, often portrayed as guardians of the divine or as challenges for the brave. This cultural significance has made lions a powerful symbol in art, literature, and folklore. Despite their iconic status, lions face significant threats in the modern world. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching have dramatically reduced their populations. In the last century, the lion population has plummeted by over 90%, with fewer than 20,000 lions remaining in the wild. The Asiatic lion is even more endangered, with only around 600 individuals left in the Gir forest. Conservation efforts, including protected reserves, anti-poaching initiatives, and community engagement, are crucial to ensuring their survival. The lion's legacy. As a symbol of strength and resilience, the lion's survival is deeply tied to the health of the ecosystems it inhabits. Protecting lions means preserving the delicate balance of their habitats, ensuring that the wild spaces they roam continue to thrive. The future of the king. The lion's roar must not fade into silence. With the combined efforts of governments, conservation organizations, and local communities, we can secure a future for these majestic creatures. The lion's story is not just one of survival, it is a reminder of the beauty, strength, and interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Majestic and awe-inspiring, the lion continues to reign as the king of the wild. A testament to the enduring power and grandeur of the natural world. In the remote corners of forests and mountains, a shadow moves silently through the underbrush. The lynx, with its tufted ears and piercing golden eyes, is a master of stealth and solitude. Known for its striking appearance and elusive nature, the lynx is a symbol of mystery and survival in some of the world's most rugged terrains. The lynx is a solitary hunter, relying on its acute senses of sight and hearing to locate prey. With their exceptional night vision, lynxes are primarily nocturnal hunters, preying on small to medium-sized animals, such as hares, rabbits, rodents, and birds. The Eurasian lynx, being larger, can take down deer and other ungulates. Lynxes are ambush predators, using their camouflage to stalk prey before delivering a sudden, lethal pounce. Their long legs and powerful muscles enable them to leap great distances, making them agile and efficient hunters. The lynx's physical adaptations make it perfectly suited to its environment. Its thick, soft fur provides insulation against harsh winters. Its large, padded paws act as natural snowshoes, allowing it to move silently across snowy terrain. The tufts on its ears are thought to enhance its hearing, giving it an edge in detecting prey in dense forests or under deep snow. Lynxes inhabit a variety of environments, from dense boreal forests to rocky mountain slopes. They are highly territorial, with each individual claiming a range that can span several square kilometers. Lynxes are often considered an indicator species, meaning their presence signals a healthy, balanced ecosystem. In many cultures, the lynx is a creature of mystery and wisdom. In Norse mythology, it was associated with the goddess Freya, symbolizing keen sight and intuition. Native American folklore often depicts the lynx as a guardian of secrets, a figure of patience and quiet strength. This cultural reverence highlights the lynx's unique role as both a predator and a symbol of the wild. Despite their adaptability, lynxes face numerous threats. Habitat destruction due to deforestation and urbanization is a major concern, as it fragments their territories and limits prey availability. The Iberian lynx, for example, has suffered drastic population declines due to habitat loss and a reduction in its primary prey, the European rabbit. Illegal hunting and trapping also pose significant threats, particularly for species like the Eurasian and Iberian lynx. Conservation efforts, including habitat restoration, prey reintroduction, and anti-poaching measures, are critical to ensuring their survival. The Iberian lynx is a testament to the power of conservation. Once the most endangered feline in the world, its numbers have risen thanks to captive breeding programs and habitat restoration projects in Spain and Portugal. However, continued efforts are necessary to address threats like road collisions and climate change. The Canadian lynx and bobcat face fewer immediate threats, but their populations are vulnerable to changes in prey availability and habitat conditions. Protecting their ecosystems is vital to maintaining their populations. The lynx is more than just a predator. It is a guardian of balance in the ecosystems it inhabits. Its survival reflects the health of the wild places it calls home. Protecting the lynx means preserving the forests, mountains, and grasslands that sustain life for countless other species. The lynx moves through the wilderness like a shadow, silent, solitary, and endlessly captivating. Its tufted ears and enigmatic gaze remind us of the wild's untamed beauty and the delicate balance that keeps it alive. In a world where wilderness is increasingly rare, The lynx stands as a symbol of nature's resilience and mystery. Ensuring its future is not just about saving a species, it's about preserving the soul of the wild.